Good morning, my beautiful people. How you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine on this beautiful day. Feel a little chilly today, but in a few hours the sun gonna come out and everything gonna feel, the weather gonna feel good. But right now it's a little chilly, which I don't mind. I already wet them plants. So I need a couple pieces of parsley because I wanna eat some parsley. I like to eat fresh parsley. Like just break this limb and eat it. I love that. And also, guys, these are really good seasoning that you could season your fish, you could season your chicken, whatever you wanna season. You could cut them and you could blend them up in your blender, and it's a really good seasoning to season meat. I'm gonna do a lot of videos about that I can show you guys how to make seasoning, real good seasoning. All right. So yeah, so like this, I'm gonna break this. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat a few pieces this morning. Nice fresh, right? Yeah, that's how I do it. Nice and fresh. Think I take like about 4 pieces. I don't want to take all right now, but the more you pick, the more they bear. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna eat this morning. So how guys? Yeah, so guys, how you all doing this morning? I hope you guys doing that water challenge. Guys, I hope you all doing that water challenge. I mean, I do it all the time and it make me feel good. Okay, so I start over a fresh one with you guys so all of us could do the challenge and feel the result. I basically do it every day, then sometime I take a break, then I come back, so I now start back. But I'm telling you guys, it's very refreshing. It make you feel good, it make your body, it make you function better, it make your bones them move better. It helps. Okay, so don't forget to continue with the water challenge. These are my okra slip coming up right here. They're looking lovely this morning, so it's a wonderful thing right here. These are my parsley. As you see, I now pick tree leaf for me to eat. So soon I will have a lot of fresh parsley that I could just eat on an everyday basis. Yes, these are so much pepper. Oh my goodness. I plant so much pepper I plant this year already, and I still have so much here to plant. These little ones is tomato. A lot of tomato shooting up again. So my goodness, I know I have to get my neighbors them because I gotta be giving away a lot of this because it's gonna be so much. So guys, just keep following my channel. You guys gonna see all the updates with all these plants and how I take care of them and see the result that I get from the care I give to my plants. Yes guys, also don't forget about the giveaway on the 16th of this month. Not this month, sorry for that. The 16th of next month, there's gonna be $100 giveaway for a lucky winner. So please subscribe, watch the videos, just be active on the channel. Alright, so on that beautiful day, the 16th of April, there will be a giveaway. You see, thank you guys so much. Yes, that's a head. Oh, you see it push out two heads. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split that in two, so I could have two different roots of head holes. Yes guys, so this is just a short video this morning with updates about my hobs, the hot water challenge, and also the giveaway. So thank you guys, appreciate you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day.